Hey YouTube, hope you're keeping well. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Got a really quick one, just another product install today. If you're new to the channel and you like trucks, TRDs, automobiles, feel free to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Love to hit 1,000 by August. I think we're somewhere in the 700 range right now. Additionally, if you like the video, feel free to go ahead and give the video a like. It helps out the YouTube algorithm and lets me know the specific videos I should be making for yourselves. Anyways, today we've got a Toyota front grille badge emblem to install. I bought this a while ago and I actually forgot about it. I was going through my glove compartment. I just found this in it. So I thought, hey, let's get this installed and make a YouTube video about it. I don't see too many of these badges on Tacomas driving around the city. So I thought I would pick one up. They have a bunch of different color options here. I think this is the Heritage logo. The color scheme is a little bit different. The Heritage is normally like a red, orange, and something else. This is a white, gray, and black. I picked this badge up on Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive. I'll link it down below. This is not an affiliate. Anyways, it's pretty straightforward, but I'll go through an install and a review, show you what it looks like before and then after. Now, I just have the regular TRD Sport grill on the front of my truck. I'm kind of debating about whether or not I should get the TRD Pro grill. It's something that I think I'm going to do, but I want to upgrade my tires before next winter, and I'm hoping to do that sometime soon. So I'm kind of debating on what kind of tires I want to put on. I'm leaning towards KO2s, but I'm also looking at the Falcon Wild Peaks. So if anybody has any advice on that, feel free to hit my comments below. But that's a totally different future video. So for now, with the stock grill and the TRD Sport, figure I might as well install this until I decide what I want to do with it. Anyways, let's swing out to the front of the truck, show you what the grill looks like at the moment, go through an install. Actually, I'll go ahead and do an unbagging. So, it comes in this bag, pretty straightforward. Here's your badge. One thing I like about the badge is that when they shipped it, they put these covers over top of it so it's not going to get scratched. What else comes in the bag is your specific parts, and I'll show you how to install those, as well as two, I believe it's 8mm nuts. So what you're going to do to start, in the two holes here, you're just going to take your part, screw it in as tight as you can. Super easy, super straightforward. Same thing on the other side. Take it, screw it in. And then basically what's going to happen is you're going to fit this over top. And then this is beneficial as it will pretty much work on any grill. So it doesn't have to be on the TRD Sport grill or the off-road. You can do this on the Pro. You can even do this on 4Runners. So it is not model specific, depending on the thickness and the width of your grill. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to take your two nuts and just tighten them in here, depending on the specific size of your grill. Alright, so this is what we're working with as far as the front grill. It's just your standard TRD Sport grill for the 2023 or 3rd gen model. So basically you're just going to line up where you want the emblem to go. I'm thinking mine is probably going to go right here before I screw it in. We'll just take a look. Oh yeah, that looks fantastic. Because I have a Lunar Rock Tacoma, I didn't go with the regular Heritage colors. I just went with the white, gray, and black because I thought it would blend in with the truck a little bit more. I didn't want it to pop too much. I want it to be a little bit more subtle, as I do with most of my mods on my Tacoma. Again, so we're just going to want to figure out where we want to put the emblem. And I like this area right here on the bottom right. Not directly at the bottom, but bottom right. So you can kind of just fit that in. I'll take a step back, see how it looks. I really like the look of that with the Lunar Rock. And again, you're going to want to make sure you have your hood popped, because what we're going to do is we're going to take the next piece. But it's pretty straightforward. You can see the parts poking in here. You're just going to take this, slide it in, take these nuts, and then screw them in. Alright, so I haven't screwed the nuts in, but I've got the bracket in place. So I actually figured out it's easier if you just come over to the left-hand side here. So you can see it's right there. Alright, so I've screwed the nuts in here, and you'll be able to see right there. You'll be able to see right there, both nuts have been screwed in tight. Now, I actually screwed them in with my hands. You can use an 8mm wrench, but I actually opted not to, as this grill is plastic and I didn't want it to break. So I just tightened them with my hands, And based on the feeling, this is not going anywhere. So a hand tighten should be sufficient here, but you can use an 8mm wrench. But if you do, make sure not to tighten it too hard or you're going to break the plastic on the front grill. All right, let's go take a look at the before and after. So here's it all finished up. There it is, Toyota emblem on the front TRD Sport Grill for the 3rd gen. I love it, think it looks great. I'll definitely be keeping it on, and if I swap out to the TRD Pro Grill at some point, I'll probably put this in the TRD Pro Grill as well because the color theme will still fit. So anyways, that's a really fast, easy mod you can do to your Tacoma in about a minute, and actually no tools are required. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have a fantastic rest of your day.